According to PricewaterhouseCoopers, the sum of the assets of the 42 German banks in Luxembourg has dropped to 51 billion euros in 2008, which represents a loss of 16 billion euros compared to 2007. The financial crisis has particularly affected the regional banks that now face immediate closure. Redundancies are feared, especially for cross-border workers. In October 2009, Luxembourg registered a 6% unemployment rate, which represents a 34.7% increase compared to October 2008. Compared to the month of September 2009, the unemployment rate has increased by 5%. The trend is the same across Europe, that now counts 4 million job seekers. For the greater region, rates are lowest in Germany with 5.6% and highest in Wallonia with 16.8%. The law allowing double nationality was passed 10 months ago, and it's a huge success since foreigners can acquire Luxembourgish citizenship without giving up their original nationality. In total, 3,152 people have acquired the nationality in 10 months. The largest proportion of applicants are Portuguese, that represent 32% of demands, followed by citizens from ex-Yugoslavia and Italians. Only 12% of applicants pass the language test.